Howdy, Michael, a Mercedes guy, and a little tip on if you're changing your glow plugs on a diesel engine. A lot of stuff seems in the way. Well, you don't have to really remove these injector lines. That's going to just make a mess. You'll have to bleed them. There's a chance of introducing dirt into your injectors. But what you want to do is remove this linkage assembly right here and this rod, and unbolt this. That way you can get your arm right down here, take this link off. You don't have to take the link off the injection pump, just up here at the bell crank. And then you can get your arm down in there to reach your glow plugs. And if you've got a ratcheting 8mm, that's the best bet to take off the electrical connectors. And then you can either use a deep socket or an end wrench, or better yet, a ratcheting end wrench, to pull out your glow plugs. Once you get them about a turn loose, you can spin them out with your fingers. And sometimes this tube might be in the way. You can remove this banjo bolt and pull it out of the way. Be sure and have a drain pan under there because there'll be a few drips. But normally I don't even touch that line or any of these hard lines to replace glow plugs.